thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see with damage, flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Hillcrest or near Franklin, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intent,
ground lightning.
Piedmont Heights, Harrisonville, Hillcrest, Big Stone, West Crossroads, Glen, St. Mark's, and Raleigh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, in keeping your thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, flying flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to lead us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Till 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Lady. 7 miles. Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Jackson International Airport. GSA says 2 million people took the site on Friday. The first time it's
Street City.
John Thornton Chevrolet on Thornton Road in Olympia Springs. Online at johnthornton.com.